Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Amazon and typing PlayStation gift card into the search bar. This narrows results immediately so you can act fast. Once done, toggle filters for digital or physical based on whether you need an emailed code or a mailed card, and enable Prime if you want faster delivery. Make sure to sort by relevance and check seller ratings. These quick choices cut clutter and reduce the chance you click the wrong listing later. You now examine the product page closely to confirm format and delivery. Digital codes display email delivery, and physical cards list shipping times. Once done, scan the seller info. Prefer Amazon Digital Services or a verified, high-rated merchant to avoid counterfeit codes. Also, make sure to read the product description for instant code timing and return policy, because some digital codes arrive instantly, while others take up to 24 hours. This prevents surprises at checkout and saves time later. You finish by completing checkout and immediately monitoring your Amazon email and order page for the digital code or tracking info. Once you have the code, sign into your PlayStation account, open the store, select Redeem Codes, and enter the code exactly as shown. That step credits your wallet or unlocks content. If you don't receive a code, make sure to check spam and Amazon order history, and contact Amazon support with your order ID. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.